My humble request to everyone to join with me. YK long live!
YK long live.
Long live, long live! YK long live! Long live, long live! Thank you. A very good evening to all. Today we have gathered in Krishna Hall to celebrate Sakumphai festival, which is a very famous festival to all the Kaipens of our state. And it is rightly said that our culture is our pride. Our culture is our identity. It is not for only the Kaipens. It is for all the communities, for Bengali, for tribal, for Christians, for Hindus, for all. Our culture is our identity. I convey my deep regards and my thanks to the guys who invited me to join with you. And it's a very honor and a privilege for me to be with you. It's the August gathering. I convey my regards to all the dignitaries who shared the dais with me in this evening. And I also wish and convey my regards, my love, my respect to all of you who have gathered here and join this August gathering. Sakumphai festival is very new for me, but it's your pride. It is the post-harvest festival. Throughout the year, you work hard in your land, in your zameen. You harvest rice, you harvest vegetables, and when you have collected your bumper harvest in your land, you celebrate this Sakumphai festival with great honor, with great respect. I am very glad and very happy to join with you in this Sakumphai festival. If you, the guys who invited me, if you don't invited me, then I definitely missed this beautiful gathering and this beautiful occasion. So I thank everybody who invited me and who gave me this opportunity to remain present in this evening to join with you. And the YKA, Young Kaipeng Association. This is a non-government association, non-profitable organization. And I believe that this association was formed with a vision, with an aim to work for all the Kaipens, to protect their own culture, their old roots, their old dance, their own sing, their own songs, their culture, to protect their culture, to preserve their culture. And I am very much pleased to hear the General Secretary of the YKA, who read the aims and objectives of the YKA. I have very much pleased that they organize blood donation camp, they help the poor, who are in need of their help. They help the students to go through their studies smoothly. A beautiful job is done by the YK and is doing by the YK. It's very, very sensitive works. It's very, very good job for the society which is doing by the YKA. And regarding Kaipeng, I have a great feeling for them. I have a great emotion with them. I don't know why. If you ask me why I have some extra feelings for Kaipeng, I don't know. I don't be able to give you the answer. But I must tell something about my feelings, because this is the platform where I can share my views. As a political worker, when I came to Agartala from Agartala, once I had a scope to visit Kelring for my party works. And in the year 2016, end of the 2016, I came to Kelring Para to meet with my Kaipeng people. At that time, I was not MLA. I was a worker of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I spent the whole day with them. I talked with them. I could not even understood. I could not even understand their language, but I could feel that what they want to express. At that time I could understand that they were suffering a lot in Kelring Para. There was nothing for communication, for transportation. There is no breeze even. There was no breeze even on that day. And I talked with them and I assured them, I will be with you. And in the year 2018, when Bharatiya Janata Party made me a candidate to contest the election in 2018 in assembly poll, I again visited the Kelring and I spent the whole day with them. I ate, I have taken food with them. And assured them that if they voted for me, then I will construct a bridge for them, for their smooth running, for their smooth transportation, for their smooth livelihood. And they kept their promise. They voted for me. And I had won the election and I became the MLA and the government chief whip. By the blessings of you all, the Kaipengs gathered over here. I must thankful to you because you made me MLA and you made me the government chief whip. You are my strength. You are all my strength. After election, I sat with our Honorable Chief Minister and I have requested him that there is bridge is necessary for the Kaipeng. And I got a plan. At estimated cost is over rupees 2 crores. I had a long discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister. And this is for your kind information. The Honorable Chief Minister, after discussion with me, he agreed that the government of Tripura will construct a bridge for the Kaipeng in Kelringpara. And the government of Tripura, the PWD, sanctioned the bridge, and within a year, within 10 months, the bridge was constructed in the year 2019. Now, this Kelringpara has totally been changed. The scenario which I have seen in the year 2016 and 17, but after 2019, this area is totally being changed. Now people have come over here to get selfie. It became a selfie point for the youth. And I hope that your life became very easier than earlier. I will request YKA, the members, the General Secretary and the President of YKA. Please keep in touch with me so that I can help you or I can be with you for the upliftment of the socio-economic condition of the Kaipeng with the help of the government. You are very much aware that our government and our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura is very much sensitive towards the upliftment of the tribal of Tripura, especially all the tribals including the Kaipeng. I will further add and request the YKA, please protect your community, protect your identity by keeping your all rights, customs, and live a happy and healthier life. Most importantly, make the society a drug-free society. And only the education and the cultural activities and the sports as well makes this society and the youths of this society to make a drug-free society. So, it's a responsibility to all of you, the members of the YKA, to protect all of your members, the community at large, and preserve your culture like other communities. So thank you, and it's a great honor for me. It's a great privilege for me, once again I am saying, to be with you and to remain and to attend this August gathering, and the performers who have danced, who have sung, and the couple gathering is very beautiful and unique, and it touched my heart. Thank you all and wish you a very happy New Year 2022. Thank you.
Ma'am, I request you to please stay still and receive our memento. I request our President CYKA to hand over the memento. The problem is directing. Thank you, ma'am. Phamam, Bila.